Welcome back to Infotech. If you're in the USA and you've been wondering how to tap into the vast world of online earning, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into the strategies, platforms, and tips that can help you start earning money online right from the comfort of your own home. So let's get started. Freelancing your way to success. First up, we have the versatile world of freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or even a virtual assistant, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a fantastic opportunity to showcase your skills. You can offer your expertise to clients from around the globe, all while enjoying the freedom of choosing projects that align with your strengths. Number 2, the power of online marketplaces. Next, let's talk about the power of online marketplaces. Platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy enable you to turn your passion into profit by selling products, both physical and digital. You can create your online store, list your products, and reach a massive audience without the need for a brick-and-mortar shop. Remember, product quality and customer service are key. Number 3, mastering affiliate marketing. Now, let's explore the world of affiliate marketing. By partnering with brands and promoting their products or services through unique links, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. This is an excellent way to monetize your blog, website, or social media presence. Just make sure to choose products that resonate with your audience. Number 4, embracing the gig economy. The gig economy is booming, and platforms like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash offer flexible earning opportunities. Whether you're driving, delivering groceries, or offering your handyman skills, gig platforms provide quick cash for your time and effort. Just remember to factor in expenses like fuel and maintenance for vehicles. Number 5, building your online presence. No matter which online earning avenue you choose, building your online presence is crucial. Create a professional website or blog to showcase your skills, achievements, and portfolio. Leverage social media to connect with your audience. Share valuable content, and establish yourself as an authority in your field. There you have it. Friends, a comprehensive guide to unlocking online earning opportunities in the USA. Remember, success in the digital realm takes time, effort, and dedication. Choose the path that aligns with your strengths and interests, and don't be afraid to explore multiple avenues to diversify your income streams. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you stay updated with our latest insights. Until next time, keep hustling and embracing the exciting world of online earning. Take care.